Report on Nitish Kumar's new Jivika Yojana. The government of Bihar, under the leadership of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, has recently launched a new initiative under the well-known Jivika program. This scheme aims to promote women's empowerment, self-employment, and financial independence in the rural areas. The new version of Jivika strengthens the existing framework by providing easier access to loan, directly financial assistance, and better remunerations of women workers who play a vital role in the program's success. Jivika, officially known as Bihar Rural Livelihood Project, was started in 2006 with the support of the World Bank. It was designed to help rural women organize themselves into self-help groups to improve their livelihood opportunities and social status. Over the year, Jivika has grown into one of the India's largest women empowerment network, involving more than 1.4 crore women across 11 lakh SHGs. The project has successfully promoted saving habits, micro-entrepreneurship, and community participation among rural women. The newly announced Jivika Yojana brings several fresh measures to improve women's financial security and support self-employment. First, Women Credit Cooperative. A new cooperative fund named Bihar Raj Jivika Nidhi Credit Cooperative Federation Ltd has been established to provide low-interest loan to SHG members. The government has contributed 105 crore initially, with a long-term goal of creating a 1000 crore fund. The interest rate for women borrowers has been reduced from 10% to 7% to make credit more affordable. Entrepreneurship assistance. To promote self-employment, each eligible woman will receive 10,000 as an initial grant to start small-scale businesses such as tailoring, livestock rearing, and food processing, or a local craft. If the businesses perform well, additional financial support and up to 2 lakh may be provided in a later stage. Third one, increase honorarium for Jivika's worker. Recognize the hard work of grassroots workers. The government has doubled the monthly honorariums from around 1.4 Jivika Didis, trainers, and coordinators. This move is expected to motivate field workers and improve implementation efficiency. Fourth, institutional development. A new Jivika headquarters is being constructed in Patna with an estimated cost of 73 crore to improve management, training, and monitoring across the state. The main goal of the new Jivika Yojana is to empower women economically and encourage local entrepreneurship by providing affordable loans and startup funds. The scheme aims to reduce rural unemployment and migration, increase household income through women-led enterprises, strengthen SHGs as sustainable financial institution, promote digital and transparent operation within rural credit system. Despite its potential, the program faces certain challenges. Many SHG member has already under the debt from microfinance institution, which may limit the benefit of new credit scheme. Proper monitoring is also necessary to ensure that financial aid is used for productive purpose. Transparency, timely fund distribution, and effective training will be key to the program's success. Nitish Kumar's new Jivika Yojana is a progressive step towards women economic empowerment and the rural development in Bihar. By expanding access to credit, creating self-employment opportunity, and rewarding grassroots workers, the scheme aims to make women stronger contributor to their families and communities. With efficient implementation and continued support, this initiative can bring lasting positive change in the lives of millions of rural women across Bihar.